Next, the kernels are crushed into flakes to increase surface area, which enhances oil extraction efficiency. These flakes are then subjected to cooking, a step that involves heating them under controlled conditions to denature enzymes and improve oil flow during pressing. Following this, the flakes are pressed in screw presses to mechanically extract a significant portion of the oil. The resulting press cake, rich in protein. For higher yields, the remaining solids are processed using solvent extraction, typically hexane. This method efficiently removes residual oil from the press cake. The crude oil obtained from both mechanical and solvent extraction is then refined through degumming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization processes. These steps remove impurities, free fatty acids, pigments, and odorous compounds, producing clear, odorless. Throughout the process, principles of thermodynamics, chemistry, and mechanical engineering are applied to optimize efficiency and ensure safety. Proper handling and monitoring at each stage are essential to maintain the nutritional value and the quality of the final product. Modern cottonseed oil processing machinery integrates automation and advanced technology to